Hey, so I'm in North Glen, Colorado. Came over to take a look at Prospiant. Now, Nexus used to be a private company, a big company that produced greenhouses in the U.S. Prospiant is kind of a merger of a bunch of different greenhouse manufacturing companies, including Prospiant. So behind me is the Prospiant headquarters in Colorado. What's happening though is they're going to go ahead and shut down, and they're going to move their operations to their main hub in Cincinnati, Ohio. So they're only going to be here for about another 6 weeks and then shut down. So I thought I'd show you some of the stuff in there in terms of their manufacturing, what's going on. But anyway, kind of just kind of an interesting spot to get some insights on. So keep in mind, this is an opportunity, a really crazy good opportunity. If this company, if Prospiant's relocating to their headquarters in Cincinnati, what does that mean? See what you're looking at here? This is a kit that, big kit, like 40,000 square feet, that some customer, some marijuana customer, couldn't get because, they lost it. They put down a down and then, they couldn't pick it up. And it's been sitting here for a year, and they're going to have to move this to Cincinnati. Do you think they want to move that to Cincinnati? Of course not. You could go in and swoop in and pick up some really big discounts just to save them the handling and shipping costs for moving these old products. So what I'm proposing here is look, buy the frame, negotiate with the local sales rep to go and buy all these old frames that customers didn't pick up, and then source your polycarbonate elsewhere. I mean, either directly from China or catchsunlight.com. But these are just the frames. And I think you could probably pick them up at cost. And I'm not just saying the frame itself, because what they have a whole bunch of stuff. They have like a bunch of growing racks, and they have all sorts of stuff, filters and cooling systems and all sorts of stuff that customers haven't picked up that you can swoop in and get at cost. And I think you can really negotiate some good deals. So this is a slick opportunity. Just the fact, anytime you're going to relocate a structure, a business, etc., there's going to be logistics that raise costs that you can capitalize on. You're going to save them a lot of money in terms of handling, because what are they going to do? They're going to move this stuff to their Cincinnati office. They're going to set it in their yard. They're going to wait a couple of years to sell it, right? Well, why do they want to wait on that when you could go in and negotiate a deal, pick something up? You could probably get the structures themselves for maybe $3 a square foot. I mean, a heck of a deal. Anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. It's a good opportunity for you to take advantage of their bad situation. Thanks.